Thank you for joining me here today at 5313 Cooper Lane in Plain City, Ohio. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a great front porch. This is all move-in ready. It is a beautiful home. Step inside. We have a working fireplace in the living room. Large cathedral ceilings. Formal dining room just off of the living area. As we make entry into the kitchen, home does come with all appliances, stove, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. It also offers a center island. You can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by giving us a call at 614-505-6212. The kitchen also offers an informal dining area. We have half bath, hardwood floors, laminate tiling. Just off the kitchen as well is the laundry room. It does have washer and dryer connection. Also, we can make entry into the garage. It offers a 2-car garage. Plenty of storage as well. So we make our way back through the kitchen. We have another entryway here. So there is 2 ways to enter into the kitchen. Through the dining room and also through the living room. So we come out of the kitchen, we have the basement. This is an unfinished basement. Plenty of room for storage down here. And again, you can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. We have a crawl space. Again, plenty of storage down here in the basement area. This area can also be made into a kids' play area, a man's cave, or even, ladies, yes, that woman's cave. This home offers over 1,800 square foot of fine living. It is move-in ready. Make our way back through the living room and to the upstairs. Please visit us today at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling 614-505-6212. The first room we come to upstairs is a flex room or loft. Again, this area can be made into a kids' room, a second little entertainment room, office, workout room, man cave, woman cave. The options are endless. It also does have a great overview of the living room area. As we make our way down the hallway, we come to the first bedroom. As we come out of the first bedroom, right across the hall is the bathroom. Beautiful chandelier here. Beautiful decorating, marble tile top, ceramic tiling, The shower offers a half shower door for keeping the water, of course, from going all over the floor. As we make our way out of the bathroom, we come to the second bedroom. And again, you can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by giving us a call today at 614-505-6212. As we make our way out of the second bedroom, down the hall, we make a right-hand turn and come to the master bedroom. This is a nice large-size master bedroom with cathedral ceilings. Nice large closet. The master bedroom also has an ensuite master bathroom with stand-up shower and tub. Great for those long days at work to come home and just relax. It also has his and her vanity. I thank you for taking this tour with me today at 5313 Cooper Road in Plain City, Ohio. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, ready for move-in. Again, visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. We thank you and look forward to hearing from you.